Hi, we are doing NCERT question number 4, exercise 2.3, class 9. The question says, suppose the length of a rectangular box is 7 centimeter and breadth is 11 centimeter. Find the volume if the height is 5 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So the question here is to find the volume where the length and breadth of the rectangular box is fixed and the height is changing. So we need to find the volume in 3 cases. Then we need to find the linear pattern representing the volume of this rectangular box. So how do we start it? We know it is a rectangular box. So this is a rectangular box. It has length, height, length and breadth. So the volume of the rectangular box is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. L for length, B for breadth and H for height. Now what we need to do, there are 3 cases. So first we will take the first case where the height is 5 centimeter, the length is 7 and the breadth is 11 centimeter. Here the length and breadth is same for all the 3 cases. So the volume becomes length into breadth into height, that is length is 7, breadth is 11 and height is 55. So now it is 7 into 11, 77 into 5 comes out as 385. Now what is the unit for length, breadth and height? It is centimeter. So centimeter multiplied by centimeter becomes centimeter cube. That is the unit of volume. Now we will take the second case where the height is 9 centimeter and the length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 11 centimeter. Again we will find the volume. Volume is length into breadth into height, that is 7 into 11 into 9, that is 77 into 9, that turns out to be 693. So now again centimeter, this is centimeter, this is centimeter, this is centimeter, so centimeter cube. The third case is height is 13 centimeter, length and breadth remains the same, 7 and breadth is 11 centimeter. Again the volume is, we know, length into breadth into height, that is a rectangular box which can also be called as a cuboid. So length is 7, breadth is 11 and height is 13. So 7 into 11, 77 into 13 becomes 1001 and 3 centimeters multiplied together becomes centimeter cube. Now what is they want next step? Find the linear pattern representing the volume of this rectangular box. What we can see here is 7 and 11 are constant in all the volumes. What is changing is height. So height is variable. So we know volume is length into breadth into height. Here the length and breadth are constant in all the 3 cases. So length is 7 and breadth is 11 and height is variable. So we will keep the height as a variable and the variable we are taking here is h. So what is the linear pattern for this particular rectangular box which represent the volume? The volume is represented by length into breadth, which is constant. 7 into 11 becomes 77 and h is a variable which we will take as h. Variable can be taken as anything. It can be x, y, whatever you want. So h is the height of the rectangular box. So the linear pattern becomes, you can write here, the required linear pattern is 77 into h.